everyone. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video. Okay, you guys, this is about to be one of my favorite hairstyles. Like, oh, can you see? Look at the way I get to elevate my look from a 5 to 100, like real quick. Now, if you would like to know how I made this braided I can't talk. So if you would like to see how I made this this braided drawstring ponytail, then keep on watching. So I already started with this project. I just randomly decided to film it. What I'm doing now is just picking out the attachment. Now, the attachment that I usually use is not pre-stretched. So this is how I stretch it out to make it light and to make it have that pointy tip. Yeah, so this is how I do mine. So to avoid wastage of air, that is why after picking out the few, I lay them down somewhere else and just, fluff it out in section and detangle as carefully as possible. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to stretch your braiding hair that is not yet stretched, as well as showing you how I crochet the braiding hair onto the recap, how I braid the hair, how I dip it in hot water, and every other thing after that. Okay, so please kindly stay tuned.
You got it right this time. Nothing is out of line. I'm wasted thinking about it. Tonight I'd lie for you, baby. Honestly,
Now that I'm ready to braid, I'm just going to take out 2 sections. Usually I will take one section of hair to be bigger than the other, and then I'll cross them both. So the 2 smaller sections will form one strand, and then the other 2 larger sections that have been folded now will now form the other 2 strands to go in for your 3-strand braid. Now this is how I make sure, or I try to make sure, that the 3 strands are of equal sizes. That way there's less need to borrow air from one strand to fill in the other. Now I'm going to zoom in for you to see how I grip the air. By the way, guys, just in case you're watching and you're yet to subscribe, if this is your first time stopping by this channel, we do appreciate your presence. Please and please and please do not make it your last time here. Kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and do all that good stuff. All right? So now that I'm done braiding, I'm going to be dipping my braids into hot water. After which, I'm just going to towel dry it, add in some mousse and blow dry the hair if I want to wear it immediately. If you do not need to put on this braiding hair immediately, then you don't need to blow dry it. If you do not have a blow dryer, you just leave it to air dry. Now for security, you're going to be needing to sew in some wig combs. I'm using 2 wig combs for this particular one. I just went ahead and put one right underneath that drawstring and the other one just opposite it. So just sew it on as good as possible, as tightly as possible, to secure it, and try to avoid sewing onto the part of the wig cap where you have the rope for the drawstring, so that you don't just hook that rope there. Okay, try to avoid sewing into the part of the wig cap that has the drawstring rope. Okay. So you can either sew on the wig combs after you've braided the wig, or you can do this before even starting on with braiding, just like I'm going to do with my next braided wig project. As you can see here, I already sewed on the combs. So now let's go right into installation, baby. So that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Please do remember to hit the subscribe button and give me a huge thumbs up. Also, let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about this tutorial, and I'll be glad to hear from you. Bye.